क्या आप भी AI की मदद से अपनी तस्वीर को इस तरह के कार्टून्स में बदलना चाहते हैं, वो भी फ्री में? तो आइए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं।
Search Stylar.AI. Open this site. Let's create a new project and import Mr. Beast's photo. Change resolution to 16:9 for YouTube videos or thumbnail. Now choose Dreamy 3D effect from this style menu. Use these same settings. Hit generate and let's create our first high cartoon. And this is how you can turn your images into cartoon like Disney or Pixar for free. You can change different styles for better results. Now let's create a ducky by image into cartoon. Now choose Dreamy 3D effect from this style menu. My channel is new, so please don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quality content. So by this simple method you can create unlimited free cartoon images of yourself for free. You can always play with different styles for better and different results. Now you can export and download these images to use in YouTube videos.